Let's go to PortUnion G2 test route number 1. You have to park your car at the back of the building, look around, anyone coming anywhere? Yeah, no one is coming. Yeah, everything is clear. We will take a right here. Yeah, look around, anybody coming? Yeah, nobody is coming here. Everything is clear. No pedestrian coming, everything is clear. Yeah, look around, anyone coming? Usually there's a lot of pedestrian around here. Just make sure don't scare them. Sometimes their cars are parked for the test. Be careful about them also. They are also turning. Just have we have to totally observant around here. Anybody coming here? No, everything is clear here. We'll stop here, check, and no one is coming. Yep. And then the examiner is going to take you to this residential area, and the speed limit is 40 here. In this area, speed limit is 40. We'll take a right here, indicator, blind spot, and take a right here. And the next stop sign will take a right here. That's an always stop sign. Always stop sign meaning is everybody will stop here. Complete stop your car here. Complete stop. And look who came first. We are the first one. We'll take a right here, indicator, and check blind spot and turn right here. Okay, this road is little wide and speed limit is 40. Still they keep on the right side. When even this is a wide road, but still I'll always keep on the right side of the road. And after that, this one lane will become a 2 lane. Still you have to keep in the rightmost lane. Then the examiner is going to tell you, now change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot, then change it to left. And next stop sign we will take a left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Go to the leftmost lane here. Don't change 2 lane with a 1 indicator. Turn off the indicator and then turn on again. See this stop sign here is all way. Stop here completely. See who came first here. We are the first one. Yeah, we stop here completely and then we turn left. So it's not like from the far you see you are the first one. Whoever stop at the stop sign first, that is the first one. So if you are first one, stop, then you are first one. And this speed limit is 40 here. Again, keep between 35 to 40. Don't exceed the speed limit. Yeah, look around, look all the intersections, look all the driveways. And the next traffic light, we're going to take to left. Next traffic light will go left. Mirror signal blind spot and change it to left. Yeah, go to the leftmost lane here and stop at the red light. When you stop at the red light, don't keep on staring at the light. Look around, look everywhere. Anybody coming from any side, who is behind you. When you turn left, who is coming in their way, and everything you have to keep on checking. Now light is green, we'll go in the middle, wait for the car. Good, and then you take left here. This is Shepherd Avenue and speed limit is 60 here. You have to go to the leftmost lane, then mirror signal blind spot, change it to right. This is a must. When you take left, if the 2 lanes are there, you have to come to the right lane. For that, examiner is not going to tell you. Then again, examiner again tell you, when it's safe to do so, change it to left. Yeah, mirror signal blind spot and change it to left. And then examiner is going to tell you, for the next street, we're going to take left. Yeah, look, keep on looking back mirror every 5 seconds. We should know what is going on behind us too. We'll take a left here. Yeah, left indicator and check anybody coming from front. Nobody is coming. We'll take a left here. And this is only single lane here. We'll take a left here and speed limit is written there 40. So 40 meaning is 35 to 40. Don't exceed speed limit. 40 meaning is 39, not 41. See this stop sign, that's only for us. Complete stop at the stop sign. Yeah, complete stop before the crosswalk. Yeah, check anybody coming on our way. Then we will take a left. And nobody is coming. Yeah, we'll take a left here. Then from the next street, we will take a right. Yeah, right indicator and observe. See, pedestrian is coming. Just keep in mind and note down everywhere. Pedestrian is a king. If the pedestrian is walking, stop for pedestrian. Right or wrong, doesn't matter. If they're crossing to the other side of the road, then you have to start going. Yeah, now he crossed, then you turn. So make sure pedestrian is a king. Yeah, and still speed limit is 40 here. Stop at the stop line, complete stop. There's no white line, we have to stop completely here. We've observed this stop sign is only for us. You have to observe the car is gone, then we're turning right here. And after that, in these streets, the examiner is going to tell you to do 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill. So I'm not going to teach you in this video how to do the parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill. So you can watch my other videos also, and I will put this like a parallel parking 3-point turn video at the end of my video. You can observe there also how to do it properly. I'm going to pull over here. Pull over is the right signal, right blind spot, and look around anybody coming. I'm going to do 3-point turn to go back. You look around everywhere, nobody's coming. We'll take a right here, right indicator, look around 360 degree everywhere. Yeah, good, everything is clear. Then take a left here, left indicator, blind spot, and then go right here. And speed limits again between 30 to 40 in the streets. So be careful about the pedestrian, about the cars, anybody coming in the way, anybody coming, just be observant about that. Don't scare any pedestrian, don't scare anybody on the road. Everything is safe. We'll take a left here, nobody's coming in our way. Before turning, make sure you put the indicators on. We'll take a right from this stop sign. That's only for us, right indicator. And check a look around, anybody coming. Stop completely for 3 seconds. Yeah. And anybody coming? No one coming. Yes, we'll go. And speed limit is again 40 here. Look around, look all the driveways, anybody coming, anybody taking their car out from the driveway. And some people are doing 3-point turn parallel parking in this area also, because this is a testing area. So many people are doing their test. Don't scare them. And this is school zone. Speed limit is 40 here. See, this 40 here is a school zone. Be observant. So many kids you will see around here. Be careful. And next stop sign is again always stop sign. We'll take a left from this stop sign. Left, complete stop here. Left indicator, complete stop. Look around everywhere. We are the first one. We'll take a left here. This is again that big road where it's there's no lane marking here, but you go there and make sure you keep on the right side of the road. Yeah. And next stop sign, again there's always stop sign. We will take a right from the stop sign and check all these driveways, everything. All these driveways you have to check. Yeah, this always stop sign. Stop completely. Keep the indicator on. Complete stop. Everything is clear. Yeah, we are the first one. We'll take a right here. Yeah. And we go into the plaza. And this is again always stop sign. It's not written there. It's always stop sign. Make sure stop here completely. Yeah, good. We are the first one. We'll go. And at the end, somewhere here, the examiner sometimes they ask the back parking. So for the back parking, you can watch my another videos. I am teaching very nicely in that video how to do the back parking. And then the examiner brings you back again, back to the building. Then the examiner is going to tell you, sometimes they ask back parking in this area, sometimes they ask the straight parking. So make sure you learn the both parking, back and straight. Okay, I'm going to do the straight parking now. And then examiner is going to tell you, congratulations, you pass your test and go and get your license from inside.
Hopefully you like my video, and if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Always bring safe and reliable car. Examiner is going to check your indicators, your brake light and your horn before starting the test. If anything is not working before starting the test, they are going to cancel your test before starting the test. You are going to get fail even before starting the test. So if you think you don't have a reliable car for the test, always contact the driving school, and they have a reliable car for the test. They know what the examiner is expecting in a test. Okay, whenever you go for the test, always park your car facing forward like this. Don't park facing back on that side, because when you're starting the car, you'll be nervous, right? So always better to park facing forward, so when you go out, you can check like this and then go out for the test. Don't take the car out like this and then start looking, and like some people get nervous and get fear just because of that thing only. So always park your car facing forward like this. Always follow the speed limit. Whatever the speed limit is written there, always follow that. If the speed limit say 40, 40 meaning is 39. 50 meaning is 49. 60 meaning is 59. Don't exceed speed limit even for one. Like if it's a 40, don't go 42, 45. Don't think that they are going to let you go like that, right? So they are going to exactly look at the speed limit. So speed limit 40 meaning is 39 only. And you're changing lane, always check three things. It's called MSB. Mirror, signal, blind spot. So many people, they just check blind spot like this, like this. Don't check like this. Come, I will show you how to check the blind spot. Come. When you're changing lane, check mirror, signal and blind spot. When you're changing lane to left, look left blind spot like this. When you're changing lane to right, check the right blind spot like this. Don't just check like this, like this, like this. There's a blind spot. When you're changing lane to left, left blind spot, right blind spot. When you hold your steering, hold steering properly like 10 and 2 and 9 and 3. Don't hold like this. Come, I will show you how to hold the steering. Come. So when you're holding the steering, hold like this. It's called 9 and 3 and 10 and 2. Don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this, don't hold like this. Hold like this. This is a 10 and 2, 9 and 3. Always look for the pedestrian, always stop for the pedestrian. Whether they are right or wrong, whether they are right of way or not right of way. If they are coming in front of you, make sure you stop. Stop for the pedestrian. Treat pedestrian like a king. Like a king is walking in front of you, just stop there. Okay? So don't scare them, don't say them like why you're coming, it's not your right of way, not like that. Stop for the pedestrian all the time. Always stop at the stop sign. When there's a stop sign, even if you know that no one is there, make sure you stop at the white line first. Look both sides. No one is there, then go. Sometimes people have seen that they just look, no one is there, they go without stopping there, right? So examiner fail for that. And always not just for the exam, always stop at the stop sign. Make sure you stop at the stop sign completely. Always stop at the red light. If you're driving car and if you're facing the red light, make sure you stop your car first. Then check anyone coming or not, then go to the right side. It's not like that no one is coming, you can just go without stopping. Red light, stop your car first, then see if anyone coming or not. If no one coming, then only go. Don't run in front of the car, you can make it, not like that. Red light, stop car, see if it's clear to do so, then you can go right. Okay, whenever you take a left turn, and after taking left turn, if it's a 2-lane, always go to the leftmost lane, then speed up and then change it to right. Don't go straight to the rightmost lane and don't stay in the leftmost lane. If any one of these two, the examiner fail for that. So don't block the leftmost lane, go to first leftmost lane, then speed up and change it to right lane. When you're turning right on a green light, and when you're turning right there, it's your right of way. But sometimes see the pedestrian, they are walking in front of you, right? When they're walking towards you or going away, just wait for the pedestrian. Always remember, pedestrian is a king. Always stop for the pedestrian. I want to give you one bonus tip. Always remember, it's going to be your test, not instructor's test, not examiner's test, right? And instructor can teach you maximum, and the examiner is going to here to check you. They are not going to give you any tip during the exam. It's going to be your driving test. Okay, don't expect any tip from the examiners. And key to pass the test is practice, practice, practice. More practice you do, better you're going to perform in the test. And best of luck for your test.